Why you got that on?
Daddy's getting waxed.
Because Mummy wants to see Daddy in pain.
Yep. I'm cringing. Did it hurt?
Yes, no, I'm not having my arm done.
No.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh. Are your eyes watering?
No, my teeth are gritting then.
No more.
And you want my back and crack then? You've got back and sack then, you've got another all coming.
You've got it all done the size as well, don't forget.
Don't take away. Why can't you give me away?
No, just stand over there and wait.
Mommy.
It's only tickling.
Yeah, it's only tickling, Ellie.
Mommy.
You actually recorded it?
Very funny.
Oh, it's because Amy's in pain. Payback time.
Not the most pleasurable sensation.
It's lovely. So relaxing.
I don't think so. Even Abby doesn't like him, she's watching.
Oh no, don't give me away. Mommy.
Come over, Daddy.
Me away.
Jump down there.
I can't. I can't do it.
Keep pulling my bra down, thanks.
Not having a tattoo on there, that's for sure.
Why are you laughing?
It's nice, isn't it?
Why are you laughing?
You're laughing at Daddy.
Why?
Because it's funny.
What's that?
Tissue.
His mummy spent years trying to get Daddy to get it done.
Yeah, finally it
Think
succeeded.
about how we feel when we have to get our bikini lines done.
Oh, well.
It's lovely, isn't it, Paul? Huff and puff?
Yeah, it is a huff and puff.
Did you have it done again?
No.
You have to come back in 6 weeks, Fifi.
Yep.
Again.
Yeah?
Look.
I've shaved, so you can't do anything on me.
Damn.
Yeah, I'm glad I shave, actually, can't think of it.
Oh, it's just your face, it's hilarious. Your eyes watering?
Yeah, probably.
She's been gentle.
Yeah. Grinning from ear to ear.
No.
Mommy.
It's a lot of hair.
Quite haired up.
Told you you had a hairy back.
Well, it's nice.
It's just because it's there.
Bum fluff.
It's nice, yeah, makes me feel young.
I want to love a telephone.
Why?
Window.
This bit's gonna hurt.
No, it won't.
So it's Mr. Davey. Grab your mind out of the way.
What's that?
Sorry.
Now you know how it feels to have my legs and my underarms done.
Is that all you want off?
Want his whole back done.
But that's just fair. There's nothing there.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
it's fine.
Thank you.
Mommy.
Do it.
No. I got
Nothing
it
there.
now for
You can feel it. It's smooth.